right, Sasha, what does that say?
No.
Good job. How about that?
So.
Good.
Go. The toe. The. No.
What letter is this? Remember?
A.
And what sound?
Go.
Good. How about this one?
Go.
Good job. Last one.
And go.
What letter is that?
Why?
Okay. What is that? What word is that?
It's no.
What sound does the Y make? Remember?
Why?
You.
Yeah. Like yo.
Yes. So what does that say?
Yo.
Good job.